employee of Dekalb County, and I'm glad I ran. I am here to support you as a taxpayer because my husband and I pay a lot of money. I have questions for you. And I hate and I cried when I left Dekalb County because Dekalb County supported me. One of the wonderful schools used to be to ever work for. My question, but heaven met me halfway. The county district that I work for gave me double my salary, and the principal is phenomenal where I work now. My question is, who determined a lateral move of a principal if he or she have not made CCRDI and their scores have consistently decreased under their leadership for 7 years? And why?
Thank you so much. Is your question who makes the decision about how leaders are
get a lateral moved?
Yes. Well, I'm sure you have a specific example of that. I cannot think of a specific example of that. All decisions about principals, I make the ultimate decision of who becomes a principal in the district upon the recommendation of the panel and all of the focus group and the regional superintendent. If we determine that a principal is not the right match for the school, that doesn't necessarily mean that that person doesn't have other skill sets. So maybe their skill set isn't best matched for a principalship, but there may be other ways that they can support the school. I'm speaking hypothetically, but you obviously have a different personal experience with something, and without, and it wouldn't be appropriate in this forum to discuss any personnel issues. Oh no, I'm not implying that you would. I'm just saying I can't really speak. Yeah, I can't really answer your question without a specific example. But I make the decision at the end of the day about any principals that we have in the district or principal changes.
What's the percentage of grievances and complaints are resolved from employees of the Dekalb County school system that working in a hostile environment with concretely resolution that report to legal affairs and the regional one superintendents?
Okay. So we have a division of employee relations. Ms. Melissa Key heads up that division. It's her responsibility and the responsibility of the team to investigate all of those allegations and see them through completion. I can't tell you at this time what number have been closed out over what time, but we are working on a dashboard with not necessarily grievances, but I can go back and even look at grievances. But we're working on a dashboard to be able to show stakeholders in real time what percentage of open work orders or other items, and that will be coming in the next couple of months.
Thank you.